Me being a bowler, I would love to bowl to MS Dhoni and AB de Villiers. If that 15 runs goes also, I don't care about it. I would love to bowl to them.
Without even a doubt, I would say Saurav Ganguly.
Saurav Ganguly.
I'm a big fan of him.
How do you guys really manage your love affair with cricket with movies going on?
Movies is like almost bread and butter now.
Yeah.
But cricket is something we have grown up from childhood. So been playing and that is something very close to heart.
I used to watch Saurav Ganguly, and the moment he gets out, for the whole nation it was Sachin Tendulkar.
Yeah.
For me it was Saurav Ganguly.
Well, jokes apart, definitely our producers don't spare us that way.
Okay.
Yeah, we take a priority, we take permissions, but definitely playing in such arena, cricketing arena, what else can you ask for? Two things, cinema, cricket.
IPS?
IPS officer.
Yeah, IPS
Okay,
officer. That would be interesting actually.
Background में सिंघम बजाते.
Actually, because of his aggression, what I'm
Yeah,
telling,
yeah.
you know, that has to be, an IPS officer should be so aggressive that, you know, can take on, दूर रहता है.
Yeah, वो attitude में आना
Absolutely,
चाहिए.
yeah.
Right.
I am a left-hand bat and a right-hand ball because of him.